Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. This is Girls Connection, the World Connection. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Also, click the notification bell to receive daily news updates locally and internationally. Police probing multi-million-dollar cooking oil heist, cop among 2 arrested so far. The St. Catherine police are probing a robbery in which millions of dollars worth of cooking oil was stolen from a delivery truck on Saturday morning. The Spanish Town police have so far taken 2 suspects into custody in connection with the incident. It has been reported that a truck, which was carrying products from Seprod Limited, was traveling along the Spanish Town bypass about 9 a.m. when the heist was made. 2 men in vest marked police stopped the truck, and the vehicle was commandeered to the Thetford area near Old Harbor. There, the truck was emptied, and the driver and 2 sidemen were tied up inside the vehicle. The victims managed to free themselves, escaped from the vehicle, and made a report. An operation was launched, and a Honda Fit motor car, said to be a part of the robbery, was seized. Further operations resulted in the arrest of 2 suspects, one a serving member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The goods have still not been recovered. Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of the Seprod Group confirmed the robbery. I understand that the suspects have been held and the truck was recovered and the workers are all right so far, he said. This is Girls Connection, the World Connection. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Also, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you.